We have been using the print function for a while now. In this lecture, we'll explore this function in detail. You'll see how this function works behind the scene. We already know that the print function prints the value of an expression onto the screen. Remember what happens when you write print of hello and you press enter? The word hello gets printed on the screen and the cursor moves to a new line. What happens behind the scene is, the moment you press enter, the Python interpreter executes the Python command. It prints the word hello. It also executes another implicit command that moves the cursor to a new line. The command print of hello not only prints the value hello, but there is another parameter which is implicitly added to this command, which is n equals \n. \n is called a new line character in computer's language. It moves the cursor to a new line. There is one more parameter that you can use for the print function, sep. The word sep, S-E-P, stands for separator. You can pass multiple expressions within print function and print their values with the default value of the separator as a space. Let's understand this. Let's write a Python program to see it working. I have three variables a, b, and c, to which I can assign the values 10, 20, and 30 like this. A, b, c equals 10, 20, 30. Then if you write print of a, b, c, the function is actually considered by Python as print of a, b, c. Then you have the parameter sep with the default value of a space, and then you have another parameter end with the default value of the new line character. So it will print 10 and then a space and then the value 20 and then a space 30, and the cursor will move to a new line. When you write print of a, b, c and the value of the separator as \n, it will print the values of variables a, b, and c, all separated by new lines. That means you get all the values in different lines. The default value of sep parameter is a space, and the default value of the end parameter is the new line character. Let's explore the print function further. If you write print of the sum of values of the variables is, then you put a concatenation operator, and then a plus b plus c. Can you guess what will be the output? You will get error because you are trying to concatenate a string with an expression a plus b plus c. So it means you are putting in two expressions inside a print function. You have one string and then you have a plus sign. That means this is a concatenation operator, and a string can only be concatenated with another string. A plus b plus c is not a string. It's an expression, and it will be evaluated to one single value, 60. That's why when you're concatenating 60 with a string, you're getting an error. Okay, to summarize, the print function we have been using can take either one single value or multiple values separated by the value of the parameter sep. The second parameter is end, which contains the character or characters or string that can be included after printing the whole line. Let's look at a few more examples. Print of a, b, c, and you put a sep parameter and you gave it a value colon. Now the output printed on the screen will be 10, 20, 30. If you would write print of a, b, c, then you put the sep parameter and assign it the value hash, you'd get 10, 20, 30. The statement print of a, b, c is internally interpreted by the Python interpreter as print of a, b, c. Sep is assigned the default value of space and the end parameter is assigned the default value of a new line character. That's why you get the values A, B, and C printed on the screen with space in between them, and then the cursor moves to a new line. If you write print of A, B, C, then you put ampersand character as the separator, and you put the word end as the value of the parameter end, you'd get 10, ampersand 20, ampersand 30, and at last you get the string end printed. The concept of the print function will be much clearer when you attempt the exercises from the resources section of this lecture. That's it for this lecture. I'll see you in the next video.